Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days, and I'm Wanda. Today we're doing a collaboration with Two Family Homestead, and Sherry, I call her my big sis, she wants us to do our favorite holiday dessert. And there's going to be a playlist that has all the participants of this collaboration in it in the description below. So maybe I should do something candy corn. What do you think? I have a supply and such a just variety of flavors. We're not doing candy corn. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay guys, so we're going to be making love cake. Now I've done this before on Deep South, but I did it gluten-free. Today, I guess it'll be gluten-free, but it's ancient grains. I'm using this flour that has flax and ancient grains in it. So technically it is going to be gluten-free too. But before I used Bob's Red Mill. So flour's flour. It calls for plain flour, whatever you decide to put in it. A love cake. Takes two to be in love, right? So almost everything in this recipe is two. 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of raisins, and 2 sticks of butter. And 4 teaspoons of cinnamon that we're going to add in one boiler and bring it to a boil. And we're going to boil it approximately 5 minutes. All right, you're going to need 6 tablespoons of boiling water on the side, and when you get it boiling, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to that 6 tablespoons of boiling water. Then you're going to add it to the mixture that you have on the stove that you just boiled for 5 minutes. You're going to stir it real well, and then you're going to take it off and let it cool. Once it's cooled, you add 4 cups of your flour, plain flour, so any type flour, gluten-free, whatever works, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You're going to mix that together and add it to your cooled mixture. Then you're going to spread it on a cookie sheet that has the little sides on it, and you're going to bake it for 15 minutes at 350. Once it's out of the oven, you can cool it off and you put icing on it. The icing is 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 3 tablespoons of milk. You get this mixture warm, not hot, just warm it where it all smooths together, and pour it over the cake. You can pour it over, it doesn't have to be a cold cake, but it needs to be cool. and you pour it over it, and it will set up on top and make a really nice icing. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the collaboration with Two Family Homestead. I didn't do candy corn, but I did love cake. 'Tis the season to spread the love around. So guys, we'll see you later, and check out all the channels in the playlist below. Oh, and by the way, I need to tag a couple of other people. So I'm going to tag Lori Family Homestead and Life in Farmland. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.